Hi coffee lovers! These coffee walnut muffins are for you. Soft, flavorful, packed with crunchy walnuts, and topped with the golden streusel. Simple to make, but a treat in every bite. Here's what you will need for this recipe. You can also find a full ingredients list and recipe link in the description box below. Making the streusel is very simple, and it not only adds extra crunch to the muffins, but also makes them look visually stunning and extra appetizing. In a bowl, combine flour, light brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Add the melted butter. Then use a fork to toss everything together, coating the dry ingredients. Keep mixing until the mixture forms a crumbly, sandy texture. Make sure the melted butter is completely cooled, otherwise it can melt the sugar and turn the mixture into a paste. Chill it until ready to use. Before we make the batter, I will show you 3 prep steps to make things smoother. Melt the butter and let it cool slightly before adding to the batter. Dissolve the coffee powder and allow it to cool as well. Lightly spray the chopped walnuts with water, then coat them completely with about 2 tablespoons of flour. The flour here acts like glue, helping the walnuts distribute evenly throughout the muffins. Once these steps are done, making the muffin batter is quick and easy. You can use a handheld mixer or a stand mixer, but to keep it simple, I will be using just a whisk and a spatula. Now let's bring the batter together. Start with the wet ingredients, melted butter, light brown sugar, and caster sugar. Whisk until well blended. Then add the egg, dissolved coffee, sour cream, and vanilla extract. Then whisk again until the mixture is smooth and cohesive. Next, sieve in the dry ingredients, the remaining flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk until just combined. Finally, add the flour-coated walnuts. Switch to a spatula and gently fold them in, scraping down the bowl as you go until everything is well incorporated. When everything's ready to go, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and line the muffin pan with 6 tulip liners. Their design supports the muffins, helping them rise taller for a tempting bakery-style finish. Fill each liner almost to the top of the muffin pan, about 1½ scoops using a medium ice cream scoop. Then spoon the chilled streusel over the batter for extra crunch and rich buttery flavor. For a bakery-style muffin dome, start with high heat. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius fan for 5 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius fan and bake for a further 13 to 15 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Oh wow, they smell absolutely incredible. Bakery-style muffin domes with a crunchy topping, filling the kitchen with the aroma of coffee. Once they are cool enough to handle, transfer the muffins to a wire rack to prevent a soggy bottom from steam. While they are still warm, take a bite. Peeling the paper is like opening a much-anticipated, luxurious gift. I know muffins are usually enjoyed without a knife, but using one here lets you feel the crunch and see the inside. The walnuts are perfectly distributed thanks to the flour coating, and the muffin is so soft and fluffy. This is exactly the kind of muffin you will want to make again and again. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Click the link in the description to get the full recipe. Coffee and walnut fans, please like and share this video with everyone who would enjoy it too. I would also love to hear from you. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we never miss a chance to bake together. For more coffee and walnuts goodness, I have got another amazing recipe waiting for you. Hit the screen to watch it now. Happy baking, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.